We were in the truck corral. We had 3 trucks from the shop. I wouldn't know how many Ford trucks were there. There were some very nice ones. Second show, second award. We went to Pigeon Forge to the F100 Nationals. This is an F1. And we won a top 10 award there. And there were a couple thousand trucks at that one, all Ford trucks. So that was pretty good experience. Basically, the cars just go in the order. You just kind of follow the guy beside you around in front of the stage, hand you your award. It's now starting to get cold.
Like 1,000 feet away. Ford Truck Pit presented by LMC Truck, Edward Sears from Fort Worth, Texas. We love F1s. Here's a 1951 Ford F1, 428 FB for power, American Racing wheels, burgundy violet pearl paint. Ooh, that looks good. Custom headers.